Dr. Joe DeMarco, chiropractor and owner of OcraMed Health, and today's video is on exercise bands. Exercise bands are a great tool for learning calisthenics, whether you're a beginner at calisthenics or you're an expert at calisthenics. I use exercise bands all the time. These bands are great. They come in different thicknesses. This is actually a 1-inch band. It actually doesn't take off too much body weight, but these bands do come in 1.5, 2.5 inch thickness. The thicker the band, the more body weight it'll take off. So whether you're someone who's just trying to learn a chin-up or you're trying to do some advanced movements, exercise bands are just a great tool. So I'm going to just show you some of the ways in which I use an exercise band, and I use these all the time. It's very helpful. I've been doing calisthenics and gymnastics for a long time, and I still use this as a training aid. So if we're using an exercise band on like a chin-up bar, all we're going to do with the band is we're actually going to toss it up over the bar, and we pull it through, just like that. It's on nice and good. Now there's different ways we can use this. If you have a workout partner, they'll be able to pull the band down so you can get your foot in. You can set up a chair and step up on it. I'm solo today. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to actually show you from once I climb up on the bar.
So we're going to step into the band, which is going to eliminate some of our body weight. This makes this a great tool for learning a chin-up if you currently can't do one. If you can do chin-ups, this is a great way to work on your form to make sure you're doing really good form on your chin-ups, or if you want to do high reps. You can also use the band to work your kip or muscle ups. As you can see, with the decrease in body weight from the band, it makes learning this skill much easier. The next skill you can work with the band is a front lever. You actually take the band off the bar, put your hands through the band, and then step into the band once again. Lower yourself below the bar and start in like a tucked position, and then extend the legs out. At this point, the tension from the band will take some of your body weight off, and you can work the front lever position. Exercise bands are a great way if you want to begin working one-arm chin-ups. You will notice using the band that it will want to spin you a little bit as you work the one-arm chin-up, so I recommend using the other arm to hold onto the band, which will prevent you from twisting or spinning as you perform the one-arm chin-ups. This is an excellent way to learn this.
So give the exercise bands a try. If you don't own them, I would actually recommend buying 2 or 3 different sizes. You can start with the thicker band, work your way down to the thinner bands. Sometimes, it's good to have a choice on what sizes to use, but definitely give them a try. I use them all the time. If you're looking for an exercise program that's going to build lean muscle mass without the bulk, then definitely visit my website, www.ocramedhealth.com, where I will customize a workout program just for you, consisting of calisthenic and gymnastic movements along with weight training. If you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe to my channel, OcraMed Health on YouTube. Any questions about exercises or injuries, as always, just leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll always get back to you. And don't forget, OcraMed Health, keeping you fit forever.